Okay, Josh. Okay. Okay, so how does it feel na finally makikita na natin yung product ng hard work niyo?
Ako na na-excite ako kasi na-witness ko yung paano siya ginawa. Nakita ko yung hard work and yung chemistry as a group of production at work. So, for sure, maraming po gusto na ito makakita sa mga work ko. So, please, ito na bless.
Okay, go Yanks.
Actually, we're all very, very excited. Sabi nga ni Alvin. Very beautiful project and we're all very, very proud of it. So, ayun, maraming salamat guys for everything. Marami nakikita dito mga lesbian. Yes, alright.
Gusto ko ng konti. Big brother! Nakita po. Kambal ni Joshua.
Ano ang mensahe mo para kay Joshua?
Ayun, ito na yung pangalawang beses na pumunta kami sa failure night ng kambal ko.
Hello! Hello! Selfie! Hi, Sir Gavin!
Ate Jazz was very product during the pandemic sa online kayo interview namin and now it's so nice to finally meet Ate Jazz in person. So nice to meet Ate Jazz. Congratulations. Yes, Ate. Ate, of course, let's have a
Tama na po. Si ano, kapatid ni Anton. Hi, Jazzy. Jazzy, si Jazz. Jazz. Ito, maganda. Pangarap naman.
How does it feel na finally makikita natin ulit your ate on screen after how many years?
Kaya nga I think we're all so excited to watch her back in a drama, in a series, in a series, and I think for all her fans, for all Joshua, Carlos, everyone else's fans that are sobrang excited. Habang-abang talaga to kasi I know all the effort that she put into it, especially pagdating sa outfits ni ate. Sobrang tutok niya. So I'm very excited to see the fruit of their hard work. And I love this series so much. So to
Yes.
see a Philippine adaptation, laging nakaka-excite.
Hey guys,
Anthony, meron akong Q&A for you. Siyempre, alam naman natin, Anthony, that meron kang maraming friends dito sa It's Okay to Not Be Okay. Ano ang number one ina-expect mo sa teleserye ito as one of the most talented actors sa ABS-CBN?
expect ko na simple yung questions.
Yes.
Pero syempre, inaabangan ko din dito yung kaibigan ko si Luis Abuel.
Eh!
Kay Luis, ayan. Siyempre sa mga cast din, kasi supportan ko rin sila na, sana ba? Kasama rin ako.
Ano ba? Season 2, season 2.
Season 2.
Okay, Anthony, last message for Luis since siya talaga yung inaabangan mo.
Luis, huwag kang kabahan ha. Walang yung manonood ha. Kaya, ayun na. Sana kay Luis, yun nga, nakasama ko naman siya before and talagang pinapamagaling siya talaga. And sobrang sinusuportahan niya rin ako sa lahat ng mga shows ko. So, maraming salamat Luis and ayun, dito ako para sa iyo.
I love it. Okay, once again, let's give it up for Anthony Jennings. Okay, quick photo of yes.
Sisters as family, it's okay to not be okay sometimes.
Sometimes.
Pero try natin maging okay lagi.
Yes, exactly. Thank you so much, Ate Jai. Once again, try no, let's give it up. Hindi, kumanta ka na ng Anthony. Ano ba? Nandito ngayon si Anthony Jennings.
Hello everyone, hi guys.
Yes.
Medyo maulan sa labas ng
Oo nga eh, di ba?
Kaibigan kayo ko sa lahat ng mga pumunta. Maraming salamat po.
Quick interview kay Ate Alora. Okay. Yes, hello, Ate Alora.
Hello po.
Yes.
Good evening po sa lahat.
Yes, quick photo op muna kay Anthony Jennings. Ayun. We have some of our castmates from It's Okay. We have Alora Sasa. Yes. Alright. Alora Sasa joining us dito. Joining us right now. Okay. Let's have the photos mula ng Tito and Ralph Colonel. Okay, quick photo op muna nila. Of course, here to support our people. Siyempre, bigay mo yung touches mo. Alright, meron naman. Alright, can we have the cast please? Ayun, akit po tayo sa stage for our photo op again. Presenting to you. We have here. One is Alora Sasam, Mark Obrera, and Noel Covilla Jr. Yan, syempre kasama din natin. We would also like to acknowledge Encho Ruiz, Irene Manacat, Bora Ortiz. Yes, ayan. This is directed by May Cruz Aguilar and Direct. So, of course, meron tayong konting chika minute, tama, okay? So, we have the microphone, yes. Yes, a microphone. Okay. After this is Mia Hernandez, Joshua as Pat Pat, and Carlo as Matt Matt. Hello, congratulations, guys. Okay. First of all, let's start with Carlo. Carlo, of course, congratulations. I heard that this was a very tricky role for you. Can you talk to me about how the experience was working with It's Okay. Projects mo after COVID.
Masaya, of course, masaya. Para makatrabaho ko mga nagagaling actors ako, nagagaling ng mga directors, masaya, and isa siya sa mga one for the books na nagagaling. And masaya ka makatrabaho sa isang.
Kasama na yun. Pero napadali yung trabaho ko dahil minahal ako ng buong cast. Minahal nila si Magpa. So na-enjoy na talaga ng sobra.
Congratulations to Carlo. We're so excited to see you. Dito sa It's Okay. Ngayon naman kay Joshua Garcia. Come on, Joshua! Yes. Ayan. Okay, Joshua! Na, ayan, with the cast. Once again, great applause at our It's Okay. Alright, a quick reminder kasi
Kuya Dong. Kuya Dong.
Sige naman kayo doon.
Medyo